Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a swatch video for you on these new releases from MoonShine Mani. Phoebe from MoonShine Mani sent me her upcoming collections. One of them is Never Underestimate the Droid, and the other one is part of her Project Dupe It polishes. And today I will show you swatches on my natural nails. If you do enjoy this type of videos, then please give me a thumbs up, and of course if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. I would like to say a big thank you to Phoebe for sending me all of these polishes. I really like the entire collection that was inspired by the Star Wars droid. My favorites must be Work Your Magic Body, that's the orange polish, and I also really like the Blue Bloop, that's the grayish blue polish in this collection. And the Project Dupe It polish was inspired by a Sally Hansen nail polish. This will be all available on October 9th. And none of these are limited edition polishes. And of course you have an add-on to the Never Underestimate a Droid collection, that is You Are Protected, and this polish will be included with the full collection between October 9th and October 11th, but of course you can also purchase it separately after this deal is over. So let me know which polish is your favorite out of these 6, and if you will be checking out these collections or these upcoming polishes. As I said, I really enjoyed all of them, and you will see in my swatch portion video that none of these had any issues with their formulas, and they are opaque on 2 to 3 coats. Alright guys, I will leave for you everything in the description box, but if you do have any questions, please leave them for me in the comment section. And I think that's it for this intro, so keep watching the swatch portion, and I will be back for you with some more soon. Thank you, bye bye.